Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can group elements on Canva mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design on my Canva application. And first of all, I'm going to add multiple elements to this design. So I'm going to go to the elements and then I'm just going to pick random elements from here. For example, I'm just going to choose this butterfly. And wait, I'm going to add more elements. I'm going to go to the elements again and then I'm going to add this flower. Okay. And I'm going to go back to the elements and I'm going to add this butterfly. Okay, and then I'm going to group all of these elements on my design. If I want to group elements, multiple elements on Canva mobile, we need to select multiple first. I'm gonna select multiple elements. We can tap on the first element and then we can click on this three dots. Okay, and then we can select multiple. Okay, and then you just need to select the elements you want to group, and then you will find a group option or group menu here, and then you can click on group. Okay, and now all of these elements have become one group. Okay, and then if you want to ungroup, you can simply click on the elements like this and then you can click on ungroup and it will be back to the first condition. Okay, just so simple, right? You just need to click on select multiple and then you will be able to group it. Okay, just tap on the element, select three dots and then select multiple, and you can select all your elements and then select group. After you select multiple elements, you will be able to lock it as well. You just need to click on lock if you want to lock the elements, and after you lock it, the element won't be moved. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial on how to group elements on Canva mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.